I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon.
Entrance na 100 per head. Okay. Pila ka dun, Ding? Nandun sa loob yung bayad. Bumibili ng ticket si Bruhita. Ayan guys, pupunta kami, papasok kami sa may Sky Ranch. Yung ticket, Beng? Ticket.
Check your height to. Baka di ka pumasok dyan.
Baboy ako niyan, makakain din ako na sakay.
Bye.
Hello everyone! The day is becoming more wonderful here at Sky Ranch. Happy memories truly unlocking every ride experience. You can also have some bites at the restaurants and food kiosks on site. Enjoy your stay and have a happy day everyone!
Here at Sky Ranch, with your friends and family, are you ready to scream and shout the joy?
Ayan, Bing. Sakay kayo dyan, Bing, oh. Dito sa tubig. Sakay kayo dyan ako. Sige na, Bing. Oh, bumper doon. Magbayad kayo doon, oh. Sige na. Ha? Ang boto. Dito.
Hindi oh, chuchu! Ay, na-zipline din.
Yan, Sky Crosser. Ayaw nyo? Ayan, oh. Ano ba yan? Puro na lang sa kabila.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
The view, agas. Ganda talaga, promise. Relax na relax ka talaga. Init. Ayan na yung Taal. Ang sarap dito kahit mainit siya, pero yung hangin malamig.
Good day, everyone. Sky Ranch is operating within a reduced theme park capacity. Guests must follow floor and ride seat markers for proper queuing and seat intervals. Thank you.
Nak, pag nag-zipline kaya tayo, kaya ako.
In order to enjoy safe moments, Sky
Hindi
Ranch
kaya bibigayan pag,
is mindful of the following precautionary measures being
pag
implemented.
nag-zipline tayo, kaya ako, Nak.
Entering the premises, your temperature will be checked. Wearing a face mask is a must.
Dito tayo sa ano? Sky ano?
Located around the park. Please observe social distancing at all times. Thank you.
Bili tayo niyan ako, so binilagay natin sa rep. Yan o, nakakatakot kasi yan eh, tumataas eh. Parang hindi ako makahinga eh.
Wala tayo dyan, tapos video mo. Kunyari, wala nang pakialam sa mundo.
Parang hindi ako makahinga pag yan ang sinakyan ko eh. Mag-Ferris wheel na lang tayo. Ayan o.
Sige.
Pila na kayo.
Jason! Ice cream.
Beng! Dito ang pila oh. Pasok kayo dyan sa loob. Yan. Oh, sige, game!
Hawak ka mo mic mo.
Julian! Beng! Julian! Bakit? Sumakay na kayo dun? O yan na, oh, sige na. Ayan na, dali, pasok.
Tara na, doon na tayo sa boat. Sa boat na tayo. Oo. Gusto niyo i-try mag-ano, lab?
Ayan, sumakay sila Liana at saka si Julian. Dalawa lang kayo? Dalawa lang sila? Ayoko, takot ako niyan eh. Solo flight yung dalawa. Anong oras mag-umpisa yan, kuya, yung malaki? Alas 3 na. Hawak ka, Beng, ha? Solo flight sila dalawa. Bahala kayo dyan. Ayoko sumakay. Sigaw! Dalawa lang sila, oh. Solo flight nilang dalawa.
Sabi kasi nung magdatang, sama mo ako?
Guests follow board rights markers.
Bakit?
Entering premises, the temperature will be checked. Wearing a face mask is a must. To practice proper hygiene, there are hand sanitizing stations located around the park. Please observe social distancing at all times. Thank you.
Yan. Hindi, oh. Pwede yan dyan.
Late naman po.
Hindi, oh. Sige na. Ibigay nyo na yan. Ibigay nyo na yung ticket dun.
Good day, everyone. Sky Ranch is operating within a routine.
Isang tagisa kayo.
mindful of the following precautionary measures being implemented at the park. Before entering the premises, your temperature will be checked. Wearing a face mask is a must. To practice proper hygiene, there are hand sanitizing stations located around the park. Please observe social distancing at all times. Thank you.
Ayan. 3 balls. Magkano 3 balls?
200.
Oh, bitin. Ang layo-layo kasi. Oh, bitin. Ako naman, ako.
Ay, si Mama.
Abot mo ba yan?
Ano, isa ba?
Gugu.
Wala kaya silang angklet. Gusto ko bumili ng angklet eh.
Yung bracelet na.
Meron? Meron. Gano'n kada? Bakal ka? Ha? Ano ko no?
Ito yung plain black.
Bracelet yan eh.
Maganda naman.
Gusto ko angklet eh.
Ang ganda?
Angklet. Miss, may angklet. Pwede bang gawing angklet pa yung bracelet? Hindi.
Ito tayo mo.
Ilano niya? T-shirt. Fish. Fish. Remo. Natin pala.
Be. Harap ka dito. Harap.
On-site style. Patay.
Maraming design eh. Ito, black. Ganda. Try mo.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.